Could be an Ezra. That's another one. Jesus.
We're getting close.
Someone's trigger happy, bro.
Is that in a 3D?
I actually think that is now.
That's too fast firing for a shutter.
Yeah. No, that's an SVD. I mean, I'd be down to push it, but
Wait.
there's two of us.
I just saw some movement.
Wait, how do you... Oh my, I'm just
Yeah,
lagging.
I see him.
I'm just lag...
I see him.
I'm lagged out of the bush. Okay.
I see him.
Where?
Right hand side, run right hand side.
Where? Man, take the shot.
Wait, do you want me to... Do you
want me to take it? 3, 2, 1. Dead.
Nice.
See, I've got eyes on you now. It's just like... I try to get as much DayZ content as I can. If you want, man, just include your audio, and then we'll be able to get like a snippet.
clip.
I don't know, man. Only if you want to, man. Only if you want to. It's up to you. That's fine. It's no worries, man. It's just like interviews and shit, but. Or that spawn.
Yeah.
Found a barrel.
Nah. Oh.
It's green as well. Right, I'm taking it. What are we gonna do? The middle one? I feel like the middle one's so random that like.
Yeah. Jammy, these shots.
Yeah.
Shots.
What, seriously?
The military base, yeah, full auto. Sound like an MP5, but with very fucking fast firing.
I don't wanna die though. I really don't wanna die. But we can go for the forest. Go for the forest. Yeah. No fucking ammo.
I mean, how rare must that be?
Fuck.
We were literally just like, right. Imagine
I
if
was
we
like,
reckon Chris is there, and we just pop a drink.
Yeah. I should be good enough. I don't actually have any. Oh, lag.
Yeah,
okay,
did you hear it? Did you hear it?
Let's
Yeah.
go. Yeah, I fucking heard that shit. Oh, that's close. That's an M4, I think. Why? Chris, bro, have you learned? Like, he's not learned from his mistakes. I'm gonna check this boat right quick. There's a boat.
Wait, he's there in his
Where's
base.
my cart?
He's in his base.
In
So
his base.
Yep.
Oh, YouTube. Pushing about me. Sneak full into his fucking base.
You fucking get the kill up here, bro. We've just bought, bro. Get up here.
Let's do this, right? I'll run up to it, I'll open it, and then you fucking spray.
Right, go.
Are you ready? Hold on. My character's glitching. I'm gonna lag back somewhere. Give it a minute so I can get. I'm dead. He killed me. I'm dead. Did you hear shots?
Yeah.
Where the fuck is he?
It was in his base, bro.
Where? What?
You're walking. You're still walking for me.
This game, man. I was lagging. Look.
Just keep fucking spawning, bro.
Yeah. I don't know where I am. Just shit. I might come back.
Where could he have come from, bro? Your body's just gone.
Yeah, is it dip? Oh, can't get the loot then, can we?
It's gone. Nah. Right, guys. We did lose a laugh, but we did take one. We avenged Glaz. Let's hope we can find him in the next episode. Stay tuned. I'm
letting, bro. Fucking care. Go for it.
Fuck it, I'm gonna leave. No, don't! I'm nervous! It's just
Genuinely
fucking acting, I know, but... Right, fuck it! Right, guys. Right, give me 1 sec. I'll back out the party and shit. 1 sec.
Alright, no worries.
You'll have to invite me back.
Which would be fine, but anyway, go for it.
Right, guys. We did lose a laugh, but we did take one. We avenged Glaz, and we will meet him in the next episode. Stay tuned to see what happens next. Bitch! Bro, my fucking voice kept breaking like I was fucking tired of that.
Dude, my fucking face, bro. You can swear down, you can see veins on my forehead, bro. I was trying so hard not to laugh. I was like,
is
like,
there out I
bro,
should change? Is there out fucking... Or do you reckon
no,
that's
that's
fine?
actually perfect. No, I don't know why it wasn't even funny, but...
No, I know. What shall I say? Right, guys, we lost
the start of a new tale. The start of a new story.
Right. I'm gonna slowly walk, right. This is gonna be cringy as fuck, but I've never done shit like this because it will be cringy.
That's why I left the party. That's why I left the party, because like fucking cringy as fuck, but...
Yeah. This is the first time I've ever done shit like this, so...
Ah,
shit, I'm nervous, bro. You're gonna judge me.
It's for a YouTube video. I had to do it as well, man. I did some fucking... Welcome to another tale. Improvise, bro.
We lost a laugh, but we took a laugh. We'll be meeting up with Glaz again in the next episode. That good, yeah? Right, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna